Ready to unleash your inner musician, even if you can't play an instrument? Let's dive into Suno AI and turn your imagination into incredible music. First, head over to Suno AI and sign up for an account. You can easily create one using your Google or Microsoft account. For a quick start, once you're in, you'll land on the main interface. Take a look at the trending music created by the community to get some inspiration. Now for the fun part. Click on Create in the top navigation bar to access the music generation tool. In the prompt box, describe the kind of music you want to create, the genre, mood, instruments, or even a specific theme. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. You can also choose a style. Suno has everything from pop to classical, so experiment and see what you like. For example, let's type up a pop song with a catchy melody and female vocals and choose the pop style. Click Create and let Suno work its magic. Suno will generate to music snippets based on your prompt. Listen to them by clicking the play button. If you like what you hear, you can extend the song, remix it, or even download it. If not, simply tweak your prompt and try again. The extend feature is great for turning a snippet into a full song. Just click it and Suno will generate a continuation of your track. Want to put your own spin on things? The remix option lets you modify the generated music, adding your own creative touches. Finally, check out your profile to see all the music you've created. You can share your masterpieces with the world or keep them private. That's it. You're now ready to explore the endless possibilities of music creation with Suno AI. Happy creating!